We're hearing more information about Samsung's telephoto upgrade as well as an even better display, so let's start with the camera. You probably heard that Apple is ultimately going to provide a periscope zoom on the iPhone 15 Pro Max, which would give that device a 6x optical zoom, which is a significant improvement over the present 3x zoom for the iPhone 14 Pro Max, but there are some drawbacks. There were rumors that the 3x telephoto unit from the Galaxy S23 Ultra would be replaced with a 5x telephoto camera on the S24 Ultra, while Samsung upgraded from the 10-megapixels 3x telephoto camera. Last week, dependable tipster Ice Universe claimed that the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra will have a 50-megapixels 3 telephoto camera that they now claim will use a 1/2 52-inch sensor. According to Ice Universe, the Korean company will keep using the 200-megapixel primary camera, the 12-megapixel selfie camera, and the 10-megapixel 10x periscope camera from the S23 Ultra. The Google Pixel 7 Pro boasts a 48-megapixels 5x telephoto zoom camera, so Samsung may be playing catch-up here. The Pixel 8 Pro is rumored to include a similar zoom system, so it is unknown whether Samsung would reuse the 12-megapixels ultra-wide unit. The Galaxy S24 Ultra will finally get an improved screen, according to a more enigmatic tidbit from Ice Universe. According to one source, Samsung might decide to raise the refresh rate on the Galaxy S24 Ultra to 144 Hz, which would be a welcome increase from the current 120 Hz and likely make those looking for the best game phones very happy. The Galaxy S24 series is rumored to use M13 OLED screens, according to a different claim in a Korean publication. These new panels are said to be smaller and of higher quality than current panels, and strangely, the iPhone 16 is also said to use the similar display technology. In other words, the Galaxy S24 Ultra will offer a genuine improvement over the Galaxy S23 Ultra of the current generation. Some of the potential upgrades include overall brightness that may exceed 2000 nits at peak. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.